Today we're going to create a magical diorama where two worlds come together, the frozen polar valley and the lush green forest. We'll meet many wonderful animals who live in snow, ice, and warm jungles. Together, we'll learn their names, habits, and favorite foods and discover how each of them helps nature stay in balance. Get ready for an exciting journey full of colors, sounds, and wild discoveries. Today we're going to build an extraordinary diorama where two different worlds meet, a polar snowy valley and a green, dense forest. Let's make the water for the ocean and the lake using blue slime. It will look shiny and real, just like cool, wavy water. We will place icebergs and floating ice pieces all around the polar valley to make it look cold and realistic, just like the frozen Arctic world. And we'll decorate the green, dense forest with cliffs, hills, tall trees, and bright flowers to make it full of life and color. And our wonderful diorama is ready! Let's hurry and explore the amazing world of polar and exotic animals together. Reindeer. Reindeer live in icy lands and can walk long distances across snow. They eat moss and lichen that grow on rocks. Both males and females grow antlers, which they use to dig through the snow to find food and protect themselves from predators. Beluga whale. Beluga whales live in the cold Arctic Ocean and can make many funny sounds, so people call them sea canaries. They eat fish, shrimp, and crabs. Their white color helps them hide in icy waters and stay safe from predators like orcas. King crab. King crabs live in the cold waters of the Pacific Ocean near Alaska and Russia. They walk on the seafloor using their long spiky legs. These giant crabs eat clams, worms, and small fish. Their strong shell protects them from hungry predators. Polar bear. Polar bears live on icy seas in the Arctic and are great swimmers. They hunt seals and can smell them from far away, even under the snow. Their thick fur and fat keep them warm, and their white color helps them blend into the snowy world around them. Orca. Orcas, also known as killer whales, live in every ocean and are among the smartest sea animals. They hunt together in family groups called pods, eating fish, seals, and sometimes even whales. Each pod has its own special calls that sound like songs. Elephant seal. Elephant seals are giant ocean mammals with big noses that look like trunks. Males use loud roars to scare rivals during fights. They can dive for more than an hour to hunt squid and fish deep underwater, then rest on beaches to warm up in the sun. Arctic fox. Arctic foxes live in freezing tundra lands where snow covers everything. Their fur changes color with the seasons, white in winter, brown or gray in summer. They eat small animals, eggs, and berries, and often follow polar bears to find leftover food. Narwhal. Narwhals are Arctic whales with a long spiral tusk used by males to show strength and sense the icy water. They live in cold seas near Greenland and Canada, dive deep to hunt fish and squid, and travel in small family groups that stay close together in pods. Arctic wolf. Arctic wolves live in the coldest Arctic lands, where icy winds blow all year. They move in packs, hunting musk oxen, hares, and caribou together. Their thick white fur keeps them warm, and they can go for weeks without food during the freezing winter. Walrus. Walruses are huge Arctic sea mammals with long tusks that help them climb ice and stay safe from predators. They rest in large, noisy groups on the beach and dive to the ocean floor to eat clams, snails, and other soft-shelled sea creatures. Seal. Seals live in cold polar oceans and move gracefully through the water using their strong flippers. They hunt fish and squid, diving deep under the ice, and rest on sunny rocks or floating ice to warm up. Baby seals have fluffy white fur that keeps them cozy. Octopus. Octopuses are amazing sea animals with 8 flexible arms full of tiny suckers. They can change color, shape, and even texture to hide from predators. When frightened, they spray dark ink and jet away quickly. They love to eat crabs, shrimp, and small fish. Snowy owl. Snowy owls live in the icy Arctic tundra where they can blend perfectly with the snow. They have bright yellow eyes and thick feathers that keep them warm. These silent hunters catch lemmings, rabbits, and other small animals flying low over the white ground. Arctic hare. Arctic hares live in snowy tundra regions where the ground is frozen most of the year. Their thick white fur keeps them warm and helps them hide from foxes and wolves. They can run very fast and use their strong legs to dig for roots and moss under the snow. Fur seal. Fur seals live in cold oceans but love to rest on rocky beaches. Their thick, soft fur keeps them warm, and they move on land using their front flippers. They are playful and curious, diving deep to catch fish and squid before returning to nap in the sun. Penguin. Penguins live in cold southern oceans and walk with funny waddles on the ice. They are excellent swimmers and use their wings like flippers to chase fish underwater. Penguins live in big colonies and take turns keeping their eggs warm during winter. Puffin. Puffins are colorful seabirds with bright orange beaks and short wings. They live on steep cliffs near the ocean and make burrows to lay their eggs. These cheerful birds can dive deep to catch fish, carrying several in their beaks at once to feed their chicks. Peacock. Peacocks are tropical birds known for their giant colorful tails that sparkle in the sun. Males spread their feathers in a huge fan to impress females. They live in warm forests and eat seeds, fruits, and insects. Their call is loud and echoes through the trees. Snow leopard. Snow leopards live high in the cold mountains of Central Asia, where they move silently across the rocks. Their thick spotted fur keeps them warm and helps them hide in the snow. They hunt goats and sheep, leaping great distances with powerful legs and balance. Tiger. Tigers are the biggest wild cats in the world and live in jungles and grasslands across Asia. Their orange fur with black stripes helps them hide while hunting. Tigers are strong and silent hunters that eat deer, wild boars, and even small crocodiles. Centipede. Centipedes are fast-moving hunters that live under rocks, leaves, and in tropical forests. They have many legs, sometimes more than 100. They catch insects and small animals using poison claws. Despite their scary look, they help nature by eating pests. Gorilla. Gorillas are the largest primates on Earth and live in African rainforests. They move on their knuckles and eat leaves, fruit, and stems. Gorillas are gentle and smart, using sounds and gestures to talk with their families, led by a strong silverback male. Toucan. Toucans are bright tropical birds with giant colorful beaks that look heavy but are very light. They live in warm rainforests and love eating fruit, insects, and small lizards. Their loud calls echo through the trees, helping them talk to other toucans nearby. Camel. Camels live in hot deserts and can go for weeks without water. Their humps store fat, not water, which gives them energy when food is scarce. They have long eyelashes and thick lips to protect them from sand and heat while eating dry desert plants. Blue tarantula. Blue tarantulas live in warm forests of India and are famous for their shiny blue fur. They hide in tree holes during the day and hunt insects at night. Though they look scary, they are shy and use their bright color to warn predators to stay away. Ostrich. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world and live in African plains. They can't fly, but their long legs help them run faster than 70 kilometers per hour. They eat plants, seeds, and insects. When scared, they use strong kicks to defend themselves. Giant salamander. Giant salamanders live in cool rivers of Japan and China and can grow as long as a person's arm. They breathe through their skin and hide under rocks during the day. At night, they hunt fish, frogs, and insects, using their sharp sense of smell to find food. Caracal. Caracals are wild cats from Africa and Asia with long black ear tufts that help them hear tiny sounds. They can leap high into the air to catch birds in flight. Caracals live in deserts and grasslands, hunting hares, rodents, and small antelopes. Mandarin duck. Mandarin ducks live near rivers and lakes in East Asia and are known for their stunning rainbow feathers. Males shine with orange, blue, and green colors, while females are gray and gentle. They eat seeds, plants, and small insects, nesting in trees above water. Marmoset. Marmosets are tiny monkeys from South American rainforests, small enough to fit in your hand. They live high in trees, eating fruit, insects, and tree sap. Marmosets are very social and talk with squeaky sounds to stay close to their family group. Snub-nosed monkey. Snub-nosed monkeys live in the misty mountains of China and Vietnam, where it's cold most of the year. Their short noses help them breathe in chilly air. They eat leaves, buds, and fruits, and spend time cuddling in groups to stay warm together. Budgerigar. Budgerigars, or budgies, are small colorful parrots from Australia. They live in flocks and love to chatter and sing. Budgies eat seeds and grass, and they can remember simple words or sounds. Their bright green and yellow feathers help them hide in tall grass. Platypus. Platypuses live in rivers of Australia and are some of the strangest animals on Earth. They have a duck-like bill, webbed feet, and lay eggs even though they are mammals. They hunt underwater for worms and insects, closing their eyes and ears while diving. Rattlesnake. Rattlesnakes live in deserts and grasslands of the Americas. They use the rattle on their tails to warn others before striking. Their venom helps them catch prey like mice and lizards. They bask in the sun by day and hide in burrows when it's too hot. Red panda. Red pandas live in the cool mountain forests of the Himalayas and China. They have fluffy red fur and long striped tails that help them balance on branches. They eat mostly bamboo, but also fruit and eggs. Red pandas are shy and love to nap in trees. Giant panda. Giant pandas live in the misty bamboo forests of China. They spend most of the day eating bamboo, using their strong jaws and thumbs to grab it. Though they look gentle, pandas are very strong. They love climbing trees and rolling on the grass for fun. Bengal wildcat. The Bengal wildcat, also called the leopard cat, lives in the forests and jungles of Asia. It has golden fur with dark spots that help it hide among leaves and shadows. This clever hunter eats mice, birds, and frogs, and can climb trees with ease and speed. Ring-tailed lemur. Ring-tailed lemurs live only on Madagascar and are easy to spot by their long striped tails. They spend mornings sunbathing in groups to warm up and use their tails to signal each other. Lemurs eat fruit, leaves, and flowers, and love climbing tall trees. Wombat. Wombats are short, strong animals from Australia that dig tunnels with their powerful claws. They sleep underground during the day and come out at night to eat grass and roots. Wombats have cube-shaped poop that doesn't roll away, helping them mark their territory. We've learned so much about the animal world today, from icy polar valleys filled with snow and icebergs to warm green forests full of life. Each animal, big or small, plays an important role in nature. Keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop being curious about the world around you.